Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Malay Academy and MORA Plus. My name is Daniel and I will be your Malay language instructor. In this lesson, we are going to learn one of the most important topics when starting a new language, which is greetings. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to greet people in Malay and use simple expressions in everyday conversations. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's look at what you will learn today. First, you will learn how to say hello in Malay. Then, you will learn greetings for different times of the day, such as good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Finally, you will learn a few simple ways to say goodbye. These expressions you will hear every day when you speaking Malay. Let's start with the most common greetings. Just like English, Malaysian also use the words hi, hello. These greetings are informal and are commonly used with friends, classmates, family members, and even colleagues. They are easy to remember because they are the same as English. Try saying them with me. Hi, hello, hi, hello. Now let's learn our first formal greeting. Selamat pagi. Selamat pagi. Selamat pagi. This means good morning. You can use this greeting from early morning until around noon. For example, if you meet your teacher, your colleague, or someone at work in the morning, you can simply say, Selamat pagi. Selamat pagi. Let's say it together. Selamat pagi. Next is Selamat tengah hari. Selamat tengah hari. This means good afternoon. People use this greeting around the middle of the day. Although many Malaysians simply say hello or hi, it's still useful to know this greeting, especially in the former situation. Let's practice together. Selamat tengah hari. Selamat tengah hari. Now, let's move to the evening greeting. Selamat petang. Selamat petang. This means good evening. You can use it when meeting someone later in the day, usually after work or school. Let's say it together. Selamat petang. Selamat petang. Our next greeting is Selamat malam. Selamat malam. This means good night. You usually say this in the evening or before going to bed. For example, before leaving a friend's house at night, you can say Selamat malam. Selamat malam. Now, let's say it together. Selamat malam. Selamat malam. Now, when it's time to leave, here are two useful expressions. The first one is Selamat tinggal. This means goodbye. Another common expression is Jumpa lagi. Jumpa lagi. This means see you again. Both expressions are polite and easy to use. Let's practice them together. Selamat tinggal. Jumpa lagi. Great, let's review everything we have learned. Hi, hello, selamat pagi, selamat tengah hari, selamat petang, selamat malam, selamat tinggal, jumpa lagi. Excellent. The more you practice saying these greetings aloud, the more natural they will become. Today you have learned several common Malay greetings. You now know how to greet someone casually. greet people at different times of the day, and say goodbye politely. These simple expressions are an excellent first step in your Malay learning journey. Before we finish, let's review today's vocabulary one more time. Hi, hello, selamat pagi, selamat tengah hari, selamat petang, selamat malam, selamat tinggal, jumpa lagi. Feel free to pause the video and practice each phrase at your own pace. Congratulations! You have completed lesson 1. I hope you enjoy learning your first Malay greetings. In the next lesson, you will learn how to introduce yourself in Malay, including how to say your name and where you are from. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you. Bye-bye.